What's up, guys? Today is Friday. We are going to Ham Orchards today, and it's like 8:30 in the morning. I gotta let the birds out though before I go. So, yeah. Morning. Hey, don't do that. No.
Mom wants apple, you know that. So you gotta get her.
Guys, the FedEx truck just pulled up. I saw it through the window. Sorry, I need to stop. I need to calm down. Okay, I gotta sign the thing, but we'll see you in a second. Guys, it's here. Okay, I'm so excited. Why are there no lights? Okay. Let me get my tripod. I have been wanting to get a camera for the longest time. Oh my goodness. So I got a kit and it has a bunch of stuff in it and I'm so excited. Okay. Breathe. What's up, guys? I just finished my first week of work. It's Thursday. It's July 11th. We have the Alani new, and we are going to be out in the chicken coop, just hanging out with the little nuggies for a second. Good week. Blah, blah, blah. Hello. Did you miss me? Miss Pistachio. Oh, so on the camera, I have to wait till I get an adapter for the SD card so I can access the footage, because I can't just access it on my phone. Here's some chicken content for you. So we're going to Tulsa to visit my grandma, and basically we're going to go to church. We typically go to the vigil mass, and then the next day when we leave, my mom said that if we remember, we can go to the Tulsa Cathedral, which I've already looked online and it looks very, very pretty. So we'll be going there as well. So stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be bringing a lot of these videos that I've been doing to YouTube. Mostly I just stick to Instagram and TikTok, but I want to post them on YouTube as well, just so we can be across all platforms. But I'm also doing lifestyle ones as well, every once in a while, and so I want to get some footage for that as well. So we're going on a walk. I have my call at 7, and I'm also going to take some pictures with the camera and also with my phone, because I need to get some footage, because once I get to school, I'm not going to be able to go to any churches to take pictures or anything. I'll probably be mostly at Ola. And then also, I'm going to 2 churches this weekend. The only bad thing is that it has been very kind of gloomy outside, so I'm probably not going to be able to get that many pretty things, but I have some really cool templates on CapCut that I want to try out. So yeah, but I'm gonna hop on this call, and then it'll probably be, I don't know if we're gonna do an update or not. It's kind of just whatever happens. but I gotta hit on this call. It's about an hour and a half-ish. And yeah. What's up, guys? It is Thursday. Hold on, why does this look like this? So it is Thursday. I have a couple of packages coming today and tomorrow, but one of them just came, so let's unbox it.
I need scissors.
Actually, my wand will work just fine. Okay, so the first thing I got is I've been needing a new jean jacket, so I'm gonna get rid of my old one. So it's not that it doesn't fit me, but it's too short and I want a longer one. So this is the brand Ankicity, I don't know, but this is the jacket. Stop. I know it looks big, but I got big on purpose because I like oversized. And I'm a big gal, so I need bigger clothes, so. Okay. Smells like denim. Let me try this on. Help, because it's actually super jumbo. I don't even know if you can tell, but the sleeves are huge on me. Which, like, I know sometimes I always gotta take things with like a grain of salt because I am a bigger person, so like, but oh, you can't see this. Hold on. Try to get to where you can like see my full body. It feels humongous, but maybe it'll shrink if it like gets washed. You still can't see, but you know, I think you get it, that it's like pretty large feeling on me, but it's still super cute, so yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got is I've been needing to get some new hoops because these are my only gold hoops that I have, and they are super tarnished. I don't know if you can tell. These I got when I very first got my ears pierced, like a couple years ago. They're very tarnished, very old. I need to get rid of them. They're from Claire's. So I got this big bag. Look at this cute. It's got a little thing on it. I actually really like these square ones. I think I'm gonna try them on. They're a little weird, and they are hypoallergenic, so that's nice because I have like sensitive skin. I guess that helps or whatever. These are the bigger ones. The bigger to smaller. So let's try these on. These are pretty similar in style. Oh wow. Good morning, guys. We are gonna head to Target. There's a couple things I need to pick up. We need some creamer. We need new butter. We're getting toothpaste. I was gonna get 2 new nail polish covers. I'm wearing a new pair of the earrings. These are the bigger ones. Very little tiny braids. I don't know if you can really see that, but yeah. Yay.
Write a letter, like, or respond to a thing.
If you guys know me, you know I have to take a stop at the Lego Harry Potter section. They got this new train set build, and I actually really like the way the Hogsmeade looks. Cute. They have the boathouse set. That's cool. I haven't taken a look at Legos in a hot minute, so. Oh, that's old. They got a new Hagrid's hut. Oh, room of requirements. And not to be creepy, but my packages are here. Okay, I have been told I look good in purple, so we're trying to get like some more purpley things. But I have this cute top, which actually I have real high hopes for the sizing on this. I hope it fits me. It is low-key, actually. This is super cute. Okay, so this is one of the dresses. I'm gonna move that down. Okay, this is one of the dresses. So this is like, oh, this is nice fabric. Okay. So it's kind of one of those dresses that has those little straps that I like. Nice and purple, nice and pretty. Stuff, I actually like this. Okay, we're gonna try this on after we unbox everything. Okay, so I think our sandals just got here. My hair is, anyways, I think my sandals just got here. So I'm gonna open this. Some interesting, I know it's not my tennis shoes, I'm pretty sure, because they're like not this brand. The tennis shoes I got were Saucony. Oh, no, these are my Saucony shoes. No way. Okay. are so light. Oh, sorry. So the last of our packages made it, so we're gonna open those and unbox them for you. Is this the same brand? Interesting. So this is actually for a wedding that I'm gonna be going to. Oh wow. It's like hot. So this is not at all the material I thought this was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more like a, not chiffon, but like that kind of material, and it's like this stretchy, which is fine, I guess. Oh wow, this is interesting fabric. But still a cute dress, very, very modest. Next is my bath rug. Super excited about. This is so soft. So it's a leaf. This is so soft. Oh, this is actually huge. Was not expecting it to be this big. This is like super, super soft. Oh my gosh, I literally love. What's up, guys? It is currently 10. Wow, it is currently like 6:30 in the morning. We are getting ready to go leave Tulsa. I just woke up. My room's a mess from like all the packages, plus the packing for college, plus whatever. So we have to clean it really, really quickly. Get dressed. Like I said, I'm already packed, so. Hello guys, I'm gonna be ending the vlog right now because the month is almost over and I just want to finish out. And I'm excited though because August is back to school, so we'll be doing a lot of vlogs for that. But thank you guys so much for watching this, and make sure to hit the subscription button, and I'll see you guys next vlog.